good morning everyone. Kuya Rolly here. Another guitar tutorial na naman po tayo. Is the You'll Be in My Heart by Nikki, female version. Ang original po nito is Phil Collins. Madali lang. Yung chords is A, Apple, D, B, Eagle. Ayan. Yung intro niya is yan. Yung sa verse, instead of crying, you'll be alright. This is my hand, on your time. D, I will take you around you. I will be, don't you cry. Balik A. Hold you, keep you safe and warm. D, when between us can't be broken. Oh, be, don't you cry. Ayan. And yung verse. And then sa chorus is A pa rin. You'll be in my heart. D, Eagle in my heart. F sharp minor. Again. You'll be in my heart. You'll be in my heart. D. Stay all day. Now and forevermore. G. Eagle. Yung chords A, D, Eagle, F sharp minor, D, G, Eagle. And yung chords niya sa chorus. Then balik. She's so strong. Miles on you, keep you safe and warm. This been between us can't be broken. I will be, don't you cry. Then chorus. You in my heart. You be in my heart. F sharp minor. From this day on, now and forevermore. G, good. Yung sa bridge niya, sa bridge no chords is A pa rin. Bridge, no listen to them, but today no D. Sorry. No listen to them, but today no D. It's F sharp. Have to hold on. C sharp minor. I know this. When destiny calls you, A must be strong. Sharp minor will not be with you. But to hold on, C sharp minor, this in time. D, I know. You shoot them together, cause F na. Shoot them together, Chinsky. B flat. You'll be E flat, F, U, B, G minor. From this day now, forevermore. G sharp, F. Done. You be my heart, E flat, F. No matter what they say, G minor. You be my heart, E flat, G sharp, G sharp, F. Always, E flat, B. I'll be with you. I'll be there for you always, always and always. E flat, one to your shoulder. E flat, one shoulder. Just over your shoulder. I'll be there always. Yun. Thank you and salamat sa panonood. Yun yung mga chords niya. A, E, yun. Maraming salamat po. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel.